Stop wasting time setting up ads you don't need yet. Most people think you have to create a full campaign just to open a Google Ads account, but there's a way to skip all that work, and I'm going to show you how. First, go to the official site and click Start Now to sign in with your account. When the page asks you to create your first campaign, click on it to move forward. You'll need to enter a business name and a website link for now, but don't worry, you can change these later. Click Next and start skipping. Skip linking accounts, skip the campaign goal, and skip the campaign type. The most important part is clicking Leave Campaign Creation. Now, simply set your country, time zone, and currency, then click Continue. Finish by setting up your payment profile and hitting Submit. That's it! Your account is ready without a single active ad. If this tutorial saved you time, please regálame tu like and comment the word ADS below.